Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the O-ring from the generator as well as descale the machine and run a bunch of water through it and make sure that problems. We also cleaned inside a bit the machine. We lubricated a tiny bit the transmission, and we also did a couple of maintenance on the machine as well. Not a full tune-up but just a mini one. And now with the steamer we're going to be testing it out. Since already I was testing the steam previously, as you can see, nice steady steam coming out of the one. Excellent pressure coming out through there, working perfectly. Great steam. And now we can do a shot of espresso. We're gonna cool down a bit the generator. We're using hot water, and as you can see, hot water working nice, steady stream, working great, excellent pressure. And now for our espresso shot. Infusion and extraction. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent color as well, and really good crema forming on top of the espresso shot. Great shot of espresso. Working excellent. So there you have it, DeLonghi Magnifica working and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee and subscribe to the channel.